Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Turtle Beach Kone XP Air, a wireless gaming mouse that promises premium performance and unique features. We'll explore its design, functionality, and whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. The Kone XP Air makes a bold entrance with its transparent shell and pulsating RGB lighting. It's marketed towards gamers seeking both style and substance, but does it deliver? Let's start with build quality. The mouse feels lightweight at 3.5 ounces and boasts PTFE skates for smooth gliding. However, the transparent plastic construction feels a bit cheap for a premium product. One of the biggest concerns here is ergonomics. Despite its ambitious design, the Kone XP Air falls short in comfort. The shape and button layout are awkward, making extended gaming sessions a challenge. Moving on to performance, the Kone XP Air impresses with its sensor and customizable features. It offers up to 19,000 dpi and a 1000 Hz polling rate, ensuring precise and responsive gameplay. Features like angle snapping and adjustable debounce time cater to competitive gamers looking for an edge. A standout feature is its dual connectivity 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth. This versatility is handy for switching between devices or saving USB ports. You also get a charging stand with USB-C connectivity for convenient charging. Using the Swarm 2 app, you can tweak settings like DPI profiles and RGB lighting. The software is intuitive, though some users may find it overwhelming at first. It's essential for maximizing the mouse's potential. With 15 programmable buttons, including 4 thumb buttons, the Kone XP Air offers flexibility for MMO and FPS gamers alike. However, the button placement isn't ideal for everyone, contributing to its ergonomic challenges. Battery life is decent with its 450 mAh capacity, but it varies depending on usage. The inclusion of a USB-A port for wired connectivity is a thoughtful backup option for when the battery runs low. In comparison to its competitors like the Logitech G502X Lightspeed and Corsair Harpoon RGB, the Kone XP Air struggles to justify its premium price tag. While it shines in performance, its ergonomic flaws and build quality hold it back from being a top contender in the wireless gaming mouse market. To wrap up, the Turtle Beach Kone XP Air is a mixed bag. It excels in performance and customization but falters in comfort and build. If you prioritize style and performance over ergonomics, this mouse might still appeal to you. However, for most gamers, there are better options available at similar or even lower price points. That's all for today's review on the Turtle Beach Kone XP Air. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think of the Kone XP Air or if there are other products you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and until next time, happy gaming!